Jay Michaud, live in Pineville. Just always enjoyed classic cars, and now I'm getting to the classic camper business. Found this for $100 about 5 years ago. It took me about 4 years to rebuild it down from the frame. Just enjoy the car shows, enjoy the camaraderie, and hanging with my kind of people.
So what about the car? What you got?
So 57 Chevy Bel Air. Bought it about 8 years ago locally, and then found this in Oakdale. It's a 62 Mobile Scout.
What all have you done to the car?
So the car, my dad and I installed the engine in it, and we just rebuilt the camper from ground up. Put all new, updated utensils and everything. Make sure we could camp in it. Tankless water heater and refrigerator and microwave. And we would camp in it often. We enjoyed it. I fit 5 of us in here, 3 kids and a wife. so we enjoy it. We take it to cruising the coast every year and get crazy amounts of people in and out all day long, but that's why we do what we do, right?
All right, so show us around the camper. How do you get that many people in here?
So my 14-year-old just slept in here not too long ago. Wife and I sleep here. We got the working toilet and the shower right here. On this bed behind you fit 2 kids, and I got another kid can sleep down on the floor. Like I said, a matching microwave and refrigerator, tankless water heater down here, stove, oven work. My wife designed this fantastic table and countertop, and that seems to be the most popular part of this whole camper is this countertop. But she designed it all herself. She made all the curtains, and just a group effort.
So what's your favorite thing about having a 57 with a camper?
Everybody asks if it pulls it fine. It does. It pulls it just fine. I just want to, just showing that it can do what it used to do back then, and don't have to have any of this new big old trucks to do what you want to do.